Welcome. In this updated guide, we will discuss how to fix Snapchat downloading problems. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve issues with downloading on Snapchat. 1. Make sure you find the latest version of the Snapchat app installed. Ensure that you have the most up-to-date version of the Snapchat app installed on your device to avoid any compatibility issues that may affect downloading. 2. Clear the cache of Snapchat. Clear the cache of the Snapchat app on your device to remove any temporary data that may be causing downloading problems. 3. Check if Instagram is down. Verify if Instagram is experiencing any downtime or issues, as this can sometimes impact the downloading functionality of Snapchat. 4. Turn off Snapchat. Data Saver Mode. Disable the Data Saver mode within the Snapchat app settings to allow for smoother downloading of content. 5. Set the app permissions for Instagram. Check and adjust the app permissions for Instagram on your device to ensure that Snapchat has the necessary access to download content without any interruptions. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Snapchat downloading problems. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you enjoy a seamless downloading experience on Snapchat.